Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting power and pairing right away. Charge the case above 50% and the AirPods above 30% because translation needs stable battery. Once done, make sure your iPhone or iPad is updated to the latest iOS so the translation features are available. Open the case next to your device. When the pairing prompt appears, tap Connect. You should hear a chime. This confirms a secure link. Now, move on to enabling translation settings so audio routes correctly to the buds. Next, you configure translation. Go into Settings, open Translate or Accessibility's Live Speech, and toggle the feature on. This connects system-level audio. Then choose your source language and target language in the Translate app. Pick your mic sensitivity if background noise is an issue, because cleaner input equals better translations. Make sure your AirPods are selected as the audio output in Control Center or inside the translation app. Once done, test with a short phrase to confirm both capture and playback are routed to your AirPods. For real use, you'll run translation hands-free. Open Translate or trigger a Siri shortcut that starts listening. Speak naturally and wait for the translated audio in your AirPods. You should watch the captions for accuracy and switch languages mid-session if the conversation changes, because dynamic language selection prevents misinterpretation. When finished, end the session and return the AirPods to the case to preserve charge. If things go wrong, reset the AirPods. Hold the case button until the status light flashes amber then white. To clear.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.